please subscribe to the Eyes of Owen.
Owen, I love you too much. Huh? I love you long time. You will forget me.
So I'm going to take a left now across this crossing onto Soi Buakhao. I've had a cracking morning walking about, in my element. I'm in my element. As my old dad would say, you're as happy as a pig in shit. And when I was a young lad I didn't know what he meant. But I do now. That foreigner gave me a bit of a dirty look there for jaywalking. Probably walk. We are on Soi Buakhao. I might try and film as much as I can on my way down here. Try and make a bit of an interesting walkthrough. Let's get into the shade. Oh, it's hot on that side. Now one of these massages shops, I can't remember which one, but it's one of these in this section. A girl in Lancaster has a friend who worked in one of these massage shops. So she kind of introduced me to her online and I came to meet her. Now she wanted a serious relationship. I went to meet her and she was busy. She was massaging an extra large Indian man when I went in the shop. And she says, oh, 2 hours. So I never went back. And when I got back to Lancaster, the Thai girl that I know, she wasn't happy with me. Why you not go back to see my friend? I forgot. 2 hours and sitting about waiting 2 hours. Anyway, she speaks to me now, but she went a bit cold and frosty on me for a while. But I just said I didn't want a serious relationship. Anyway, stop waffling and Owen. Well, this is the beginning of Soi Buakhao from Pattaya Klang side. Quite interesting, a few little things. Pharmacies, massage shops, a guy on a bike, tattoo studios, motorcycle rental, a guy selling Thai street food, massage shops, 7-Elevens, more street food, a bar buff, some beer bars, cafe bars. It's a nice busy spot. My mate's bar, M&M bar, is down there where I went the other day. Nice little bar. Cheap prices on beer. The mannequins. Do Thai people clapping their hands, try to get your attention for the motorcycles. A hole in the road. Goes through to Soi Buakhao. Some ladies buying some drinks there, looks like tea. That fancy tea with all them bubble tea I think it is. A few more beer bars. Got a farang sat around the bar, and more ladies sat here. Lady with an umbrella. More beer bars over there. I'm going to call this video the Sarky video, because I've been a bit sarky. Some more farangs on that side. Bar girls looking on. I've never really drunk down here that much. A few little side sides. I like walking down things like this, nice and interesting. This is the hair cutting area. One of these is quite a famous one. Nins or something it's called, but it's not there now, it's gone. Can't be that famous. I'll have I passed it by? No, it's gone. Changed its name maybe. A few more massage ladies, heavenly massage. Hello, Tilak! This is the S-bend, chicane. The new Witherspoons. Well, it's been there a while, but it's moved from further up. My little friend lives down there. I've not seen her on this trip. Doesn't even know I'm here. I feel a bit bad really, but it's for the best. Oops, sorry. Ooh, a little dog barking at me there. It's getting towards 2 o'clock in the afternoon, maybe 2:15, 2:30. I'm going to walk down now and meet old Harry from Owen. Look at this person. Some nice aromas from all these food courts. Fruit market over there. Few more beer bars on your right. Few haircut shops, gold shop, pharmacy, hotel type little room things. Little room things. Number 1 bar. Sawadee Khab! You're rolling me in! You see my friend?
Not see it.
Wait. I not want to drink because I have to go meet friend.
Okay.
He wants to see you. Why he not call you?
She just come back home.
Wow. Maybe he come today because I go. Tomorrow I go.
Maybe he can see you later.
Yeah, I think he will come see. Is it this lady? No.
No.
No. Oh, sorry.
Later. It's my friend just come back home.
Okay.
Another.
Yeah. What's her name?
Her
No,
name.
the lady.
Yeah,
Nang, that's it. Yeah, I think this lady, but not this lady. Yeah, he said he will come when I go home.
Okay.
So, but I have to go now. I meet friend for coffee.
Okay, Khab.
No beer today.
Don't believe after the beer.
Yeah, after later.
You can drink coffee, but I can drink beer.
Okay, see you. Bye. Talk to you. Got an old farang there looking at me as though I'm an evil person because I've got a camera out. Never come and said out though, did he? So, coffee shop there. beef burger, liver and bacon casserole, some fruit. Lady with her umbrella again. So we've got some saparut, tangmo, mamuang. Hello. Thank you. Bite on enough, thank you. This is Tree Town on the right. The Sportsman's across, good breakfast. Never been in this bar here, I don't know what it's like. Quite a number of bars across. Been in a few of them, but not all your usual massage shops. Still quite busy. Quite impressed with it. Pattaya is definitely not dying. 7-Eleven over there. I once stayed in Soleil de Siam across for a month. Now at Diana Estate condominium. Are we recording? Yes. McDonald's Prime Burger. Again, the entrance to the side of Tree Town.
Why you won't make me do?